If you're looking to reset Safari on your iPhone and clear out browsing history, data, and other settings, it's a pretty straightforward process. Let me walk you through the steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. It should be near the bottom of the list. From there, look for Safari and tap on it to open the Safari settings. Once you're in the Safari settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Advanced. In this section, you'll see an option called Website Data. Tap on it, and you'll be able to see all the data websites have stored, like cookies and login info. To clear this, tap Remove All Website Data. A confirmation message will pop up, and you just need to confirm by tapping Remove Now. This step will clear out any tracking data, website cookies, and other data saved by websites, helping to protect your privacy and free up space. Now, head back to the main Safari screen. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice the bookmarks icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're in the bookmarks section, make sure you're in the History tab. This is where you'll see all the websites you've visited recently. If you want to clear this history, look for the Clear option at the bottom right of the screen. Tap it, and you'll be given the choice to clear your browsing history from today, from the last hour, or from all time. Choose Clear History to fully reset your browsing history. And that's it. Safari is now reset, with your website data and browsing history cleared. This should help give you a fresh start with a cleaner, more private browsing experience.